is a fake and a fraud, and he needs to be reprimanded.
You may be seated. We are here today to hear the case of Jonathan Tate versus the state. The plaintiff, Mr. Tate, is accusing the defendant, Mr. Kidd, of stolen valor. Mr. Tate, you may present your case.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today we are here with a very serious case. Mr. Kidd here has been parading around in military uniform, mimicking real military homecomings. This is not just a harmless act of creativity. It is a blatant disrespect to the real families that is currently serving. Your Honor, right here, I have a photo of Mr. Kidd in his fake military uniform. As you can see, there are no name tags or patches. Nothing that would indicate that Mr. Kidd has served any real time as a military personnel.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Tate. Please submit the evidence to court.
We send a copy, Your Honor.
Mr. Kidd, you've heard these accusations against you. Please go ahead, present your case to the court.
Thank you, Your Honor. I prepared a few words for this. Your Honor, I stand here today not as a soldier, but as an actor and a content creator. My videos are designed to inspire, educate, and entertain. They depict moments of military homecomings because these are universal moments of joy, relief, and love. Stolen valor is a term used for those who impersonate military personnel for personal gain, claiming benefits, recognition, or medals they did not earn. I have never claimed to be a soldier. In my videos, I don't use real ranks or names, as he stated. I do this to honor the sacrifices of real military families, hoping to give comfort to those who might be missing their loved ones and waiting for them to come home. I understand the seriousness of these accusations, but my intention was never to deceive or disrespect. My hope is that through my work, even one person who is going through a hard time might smile, might feel a little less alone, that we as Americans can finally come together.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you, Mr. Kidd. Now, before I make my final decision, do either of you have any further evidence or witnesses to further your case?
Your Honor, I have no further evidence or witnesses. However, my nephew serves in the military. And what Mr. Kidd is doing is a blatant disrespect to not only my nephew, but all the families that are serving in the United States military, across all branches. Mr. Kidd is a fake and a fraud, and he needs to be reprimanded.
Oh, quiet. Order in the court, please. After reviewing the evidence and hearing both sides, it's clear to me that Mr. Kidd's actions do not meet the legal definition of stolen valor. His intention was not to impersonate a soldier for personal gain, but to create content that resonates with and honors military families. Now, while I understand your concerns, Mr. Tate, the law is clear. Mr. Kidd's actions, while possibly controversial, are not criminal. In fact, I believe they reflect a kind of heroism using art to bring hope and joy to those who need it. This case is dismissed.